We'll cover important topics by choosing the correct ingestion method. We'll focus today on the volume part of things. Think of transporting goods. A small package can be carried by hand. A steady flow of boxes needs a conveyor belt, just like this, the conveyor belt. And a non stop stream of trucks requires a highway system, just like this, the non stop stream of trucks, kind of highway. In Databricks, copy into is the best for small or ad hoc data loads. Autoloader suits medium volumes with continuous arrivals. And streaming ingestion handles massive real time flows. Choosing the right method ensures pipelines remain efficient, scalable, and cost effective. Let's meet in our next lecture.